Checking back with you on Tuesday, July 18th. We have 11 minutes left in the trading day here in, Central Standard Time. So let's take a look at Target. It is currently trading at 130.82, 0.62% up today. And I thought, let's take a look at selling some calls. Expiration July 28th, so that's 10 days out. If we look 10 days out, I wanted to look fairly conservative. Let's look at the 130 and the 139 strike price for the Target. We have 800 shares available, so that would be 8 contracts that we can take a position in. Can we get 30 cents on them for a total of $240 in premium collected for the covered call? Let's see if that fills. It does. So there's $240. Let's write that down. Where's my pad and pen? There's my pen. 240. What else did we want to look at? Okay, yeah, I did want to look also at Jackson Financial. Now I'm upside down on this particular asset. As you can see, if we've got 600 shares with an average cost of $41.64, but I did the math just a minute ago and I've collected $1,515 bills so far between premium and dividends since I got involved with Jackson Financial. So I did the true average cost if you were to take what I've paid minus what I've received in cash flow, and that puts me at just over $39 a share as far as my cost. So I thought, well, is there any way that I can look out to $39 or $40? And I think Jackson just doesn't have the amount of volume that trades in dollar bills or less. I think it's $5, $2.50 or $5 increments. But could we get then around $40 on a trade that makes it interesting? So let's look at selling some calls on Jackson, and it is a monthly. So let's look 31 days out to August 18th. August 18th, there's the 40. It's at 20 cents. And what do we have? 600 shares, right? Yeah, 600 shares at 40. So theoretically, that would put us at a profit. And I really don't feel like Jackson's going to go from where it is today at 33.66 all the way to 40 by that expiration date of August 18th. But you never do know, because I checked the Magic 8 Ball and it didn't really know either. I don't think I can get 25. Can we try for 25? I'd be thrilled. I would be absolutely thrilled if we were able to capture 25 cents per for a total of $150 credit. Oh, yes, indeed. So there's $150. How about that? See, everything could be a win if you have the right perspective and the right attitudinal. Let's look at Big Mo, Altria Group, Big Mo. We have some action there. It should be up just a little bit. Oh, it's not up today. So let's forget about Altria Group. We have, if you look at our position, we're at 46.34 currently with 700 shares, 200 of which I think are accounted for already. Yeah. So there's the 200 that are accounted for. That does not expire. That 4750 strike call does not expire until January 19th of 20 and the 24. So that leaves us 5 contracts to trade, but I'm going to go ahead and wait on that maybe another day or two until it gets into the green. But let's look at British American Tobacco, the B to the I, the B to the T to the I. We bought 500 shares at $32.98 was our average cost. And then if we look at BTI, we have locked in, okay, so British American Tobacco. Let's go to the dividends on it. And we have done what? Okay, go to the dividend history. Dividend history, we locked in. So on July 13th, because we were owners of that company, of those shares, we locked in an August 23rd pay date. So that it's one day after me and Sparkle's 25th wedding anniversary. So one day after that, we are locking in 70 cents. So it's 7006. 0.7006, and then we have 500 shares. So that's $350.30 that will be delivered as a belated anniversary gift for me and my wife, Sparkle Barbie. So that means we are free to move about the country and try to see if we can't catch some action. Where's it at right now? 3308. Can we catch any action at 34 on the next trade day? And this is a monthly. It does not trade weekly. You know, I like those weeklies. So let's sell call and look out 31 days at the 34. Oh, look at that. The 34 is collecting 35 cents. So that's very nice. That's a nice return on our investment. We might be able to catch a little bit more action on that. So let's put in our 5 contracts. Can we get 37? Can we get 37 cents per? We cannot, because it only trades in 5-cent increments. All right. And we want to fill that now. So let's update it to 35. So that's $175 bills that we did not have starting today. Covered call, just a $34 strike. So not a conservative trade by any means. It's a 75% chance of profit, a 34 delta. So that's, much higher than we typically would do on a covered call. But I was looking to do the Wheel of Fortune on this trade, meaning we wanted to collect premium on every side of it, also collect dividend, and then also maybe capture a little share appreciation. We did buy them at $32.98. So if we can sell them at 34 while also locking in this $185 credit, which we just did, plus that dividend of over $300, then we would look at that as a very positive day, week, month. So it'd be just over a month we would be into the shares of British American Tobacco. But as we say, smoke them if you got them. I'm looking over at the S&P, looking over at SPY, and it's had two and a half pretty good red candles down, trying to end this day. Maybe we should sell some put credit spread. Haven't done that in a while on SPY. We were just in love with the call credit spreads there for a while, and now the put credit spreads could be very nice. I'm looking at that action because you would get some action right now. So we did just put what? We had $185 on BTI, plus $240 on Target, plus $150 on Jackson Financial. So that's $575 in premium to go along with what we collected on the covered calls for Bank of America earlier today. Let's just look at SPY real quick to see what any action could be on a put credit spread. My concern right now is with all the earnings that are coming up, what type of damper could they put on the overall market? So I don't know how interested I would be in that. So let's trade SPY options. Let's just say we went even one day out. So if we went to essentially a 0 day, but it would be through the night, right? So if we expired tomorrow and we looked at a put credit at a spread, it's currently trading at 454.20. Okay, so there's 454 up, going down town to Chinatown. Could you get any action at 450? 450. So 450, $2 wide, that'd be around 4-cent credit. It's just not what we're looking to do at this very moment. So we'll let some other earnings reports roll in before we get back into the saddle on credit spreads on the SPY. But I am interested in that in general. But I wanted to see how some of the earnings played out. So far, so good, though. Pepsi was good. The banks have been good. Coca-Cola coming up. We'll see how the Targets and Johnson and Johnsons and those types of companies do, and Amazon, all the big ones as well. Tesla coming up. So we got all kinds of action to look forward to. Thanks for tuning in at the end of this trading day on the Tuesday. I'll catch you again tomorrow. Make sure you are indeed a subscriber to the channel. You like this video, leave me a lovable comment and share it with a credible non-jack wagon friend, and I'll see you in the next video.